Okay, so I got a question the other day in my inbox, and personally, I do not know why I have not made a video on this question yet. I get this question asked to me a lot, and based on the content of my channel, one would have thought by now that SParty would have made a video on this, but I haven't, and I'm sorry. I'm a bad boy. I deserve to be punished. Spank me, choke me, do what you need to do to me. Only if you're cute, though. Anyway, so the question was, how do you make an ex regret leaving you? Let me put this away. It's fucking shining and shit. So, how do you make an ex regret leaving you? So, here's the thing. I fucking love this question. I live for this question. This question pumps me the fuck up. I fucking love this question. Now, the reason I love this question is because most dudes out there, 95% of dudes, right? They are living in the past. They are being beta fucking pussies, okay? They are waiting around, hoping and praying and wishing for the day that their ex will give them another opportunity. They are waiting for the day that their ex is going to text them and beg and say that they want them back, and they're just gonna try to work it out, and they are hoping and praying for that fucking day. They are hoping for that new opportunity where everything will just go perfectly. Last time was just a mistake. It's all gonna be better this time. And that's what they're hoping and praying. They're being nostalgic. They are living in the past, and they're being beta fucking bitches, okay? Now, the alpha male says, fuck the past. I'm living in the fucking present. I'm living in the fucking future, okay? I'm living in the future. Fuck waiting around. I'm taking action now, okay? And that's what the alpha says. So this question, if you're asking me this question, that's a good sign. I like that. It shows that you are on your path to becoming higher fucking status internally, and I fucking respect the fuck out of you guys that are trying to do that, okay? And I know the Team Fortune guys all think that way. That's why we come to the channel. Anyway, so the question was, how do you make an ex regret leaving you, okay? And again, this is, those of you asking this, you guys got a chip on your fucking shoulder, okay? You got a chip on your shoulder, and sometimes this is what you need, the little slap in the face to fucking urge you to be a little more successful in your own personal life, okay? So, again, this is not a question on how to get an ex back. This is not how this video is going to be, okay? This is going to be a question that I am going to answer, and I'm going to tell you, this is how you make your ex rue the fucking day where she decided to give up on you, okay? She's going to rue the fucking day where she ever doubted you and gave up, okay? She's gonna look back and she's going to think to herself that she needed to treat you better, and she's going to regret the way she treated you, and she's going to regret not putting in more effort. She's going to regret not sucking your dick more. She's going to regret not hanging out with you more and putting more into it, okay? She's going to regret so much shit, and she's going to look back on the past and think, fuck, I fucked up, okay? And that's exactly what you want. You are going to fucking haunt her, okay? You are going to be her fucking worst nightmare. Fuck a dream, you're a fucking nightmare. Fuck that, okay? Fuck the past. Fuck dreaming for her. Fuck that. End the fucking dream. Make her a fucking nightmare. You're the fucking nightmare. End that shit, okay? This is not a video on how to get her back or make her regret it so she wants to come back and starts texting you. No, this is a video to make her regret the fucking day that she decided to leave you and give up on you, because you are going to push and punch and fucking slam your fucking head through a wall and become the fucking most dominant fucking male out there, the most successful male that you can fucking possibly be. Hold your fucking dick, hold your masculinity, and fucking unleash it to the world. And she is going to regret every fucking second of her entire life not fucking putting in more effort to be with you, because she is going to be stuck with a beta fucking pussy. There's only 2% of guys who are like us. 2 fucking percent, okay? None of those, she's not gonna meet another fucking guy like that. She fucked up, okay? This is what she has to go through. She needs to go through that horror and that pain, okay? And you're gonna give it to her. You're gonna be that fucking nightmare. And I respect that. Now, here we go. I'm gonna give you 2 fucking tips, okay? 2 tips to be the fucking nightmare, to be her worst fucking nightmare, to make her regret leaving you and thinking about you, and she's going to be fantasizing about you, how she had the opportunity and she just let it go, okay? 2 tips. kind of went on a rant. I'm sorry. But here are the 2 tips. The first thing you need to do is you need to stop giving a fuck about her. You need to stop caring, okay? You still care because you still want to make her regret it, okay? You still want to make her regret it. So that shows me that you care. You need to get to the point where you do not give a fuck. You can go pull a girl in front of her and fucking make a sex tape and send it to her. Now, don't actually do that, but you need to be able to do that, okay? You need to be able to do that and not care. Now, don't actually send her a sex tape of you fucking another chick. Don't do that. But you need to be able to have that mindset where you could do that, okay? You need to not care. And when you do not care, you are totally indifferent towards her. And when you are totally indifferent towards her, she cannot affect you. And when she cannot affect you, it drives her fucking crazy. And she's going to have to find a way to try to get your attention. And how's she going to do that? She's going to try to make you jealous with other guys. She's going to try to look hotter on Instagram. She's going to try to reach out to you maybe, or send you Snapchat. She's going to do all this random shit, and it's because of you. You are being the cause, and you are driving her nuts. And when you're driving her nuts, she's going to try to get your attention. And when you're not giving when you're not giving her that attention, well, she's going to have to work for it, and she'll never get it because you don't care. And when you don't care, you're up here and she's boop, boop, boop down the fucking below the shoe. Okay? So that's the first thing you got to do. Okay? You got to literally learn not to care. The second thing you got to do kind of reflects off number 2, okay? Or number 1, I'm sorry. The second thing you got to do is you need to have a fucking goal that is more important than her and more important than any other fucking girl in the world. And you got to fucking want it bad. You got to achieve it, okay? You need to fucking achieve it. And the reason you're going to achieve it is because you got a chip on your shoulder. And you got a chip on your shoulder because your fucking girl left you and she doubted you and she's fucking some loser right now. And you said, fuck that. She's not part of your plan anymore. Fuck that. You're going forward, and she's going to regret losing you because you're going to be the most successful person in whatever field you decide to go in, okay? If you're a football player, you are going to make the fucking NFL, or you're going to play college football somewhere. If you are a banker, you are going to find your way to climb that ladder and become the CEO of some fucking company where you're making a fucking killing, and people are looking up to you, and you are motivating other people, and people are looking for your opinion, and you are motivating other people to become to your level, okay? If you are a lawyer, you are going to be the best damn lawyer in your fucking state, okay? You are going to be the best lawyer. People are going to see you on fucking billboards. They're going to see you on the commercials. They're going to see your social media page, and they're going to be like, that is the freshest motherfucking suit I've ever seen, okay? You have to have this vision of yourself and what you want to do, okay? You need to dominate that field, and then everything else comes with it. Fuck what she thinks. Fuck that. What matters the most is your goal, achieving that fucking goal. And once you achieve that goal, you can do everything else comes with it. The money, the fame, okay? It all comes with it. The fucking ladies, they come with it. But they all come because you are ambitious and you care about one thing. Your fucking purpose. Your big, throbbing fucking vision, not her. Not any other girl. Because the people out there who work and their main goal is to impress the ladies, they don't become successful. Okay? They don't achieve the goals that they want to achieve. They don't make it work with the girls, okay? They're in shitty relationships because they're putting everything towards her, okay? And trying to impress her, okay? You need to care more about your goal than anything else. And that is what's going to make her regret it. Because when you become that successful and you become more high status and you become this fucking dominant alpha male, that shit all comes with having the big throbbing fucking vision of you fucking wherever you're fucking doing, okay? Whatever you're fucking doing, everything else comes with it. The regret comes with it. Like I said, the money comes with it. The ladies, they come with it. But you have to have this fucking vision, and your vision's so big that nothing else fucking matters to you. And that's when you're going to be successful, because you got that chip on your shoulder. You got doubted, and you're gonna fucking achieve the fucking highest success potential. And you're not gonna be satisfied with it because you're gonna want more. You're gonna be fucking thirsty for more fucking success. And you're more thirsty. And when you want it that badly, you're going to find a way to achieve that, okay? So find that fucking thing that you are so fucking thoroughly passionate about, okay? It could be a job, okay? It could be just becoming the highest status internally man possible, okay? That would work too. Being a fucking higher status dude internally, not being able to, not getting affected by women, not caring, being the most fucking confident dude out there, having the best fucking style. Okay? Having the fucking smirk down, having the charisma down. You have to have it all, okay? If you have that, she's going to regret the fucking day, man. She's going to regret the day. So she's got to start seeing the better output of you. And when she starts seeing things moving forward in your direction and things are doing better and you're looking good, you're looking successful, you're working hard towards a goal, you do not care about her, man, she's going to be thinking about you all day, every day, regretting the moment. And she's going to try to find her opportunity to get back. And if you're at this high status and you've already made it this far and you've gotten to your goal and you're getting to your goal and you have visions of achieving that goal, you won't take her back. Fuck that. That was in the past. You got new bitches in your fucking corner right now. Fuck that. So, do that. Peace.